In this video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel with Hilton points. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to browse through all of the stays available in Hilton and how to make sure that you use your points when booking. So you can use the mobile app or the official website. For this video, I'm going to be demonstrating this process on the Hilton website. So through a web browser, go to hilton.com, and in here you can search for a destination. I'm going to use Miami as an example, but you can choose any destination available here. Afterwards, set the check-in and check-out dates, and all that you have to do before clicking the option to find a hotel is to go over to special rates. The first option available is going to be use points. So tick this option, select done, and of course, if you want to change other options here, go ahead. When you click find a hotel, as long as you tick the option to use points, all of the prices for the stays in this region will be displayed with the points per night instead of the usual price. So as you can see, the option is available here as well. As an example, I'm going to turn it off. And as you can see, everything will return to standard prices. So you will see the price in US dollars if that is your local currency. But if you take this option, you will see the amount of points per night. So you can compare all of the prices. When you choose to view the rates on any of these, you will be redirected to another page and you will be able to finish booking this hotel using points. So the price might return to normal, but don't worry, you will still be able to use your points. As you can see, you can once again confirm the option here, so use points and money. So sometimes you will be able to mix both of them to get a special discount, and all that you have to do is sign into your account. So make sure to sign into your Hilton Honors account. Sadly, I don't have an account with points at this current moment, but from this point onwards, it's easy. Just sign into your account and follow the on-screen instruction to finish booking. I hope I was able to help you on how to book a hotel with Hilton points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.